Your lower back feels like a piece of dry driftwood that might snap if you lean the wrong way after 8 hours of staring at a glowing monitor. It is that deep, nagging ache that makes you want to fold yourself in half just to get some relief. That is exactly where these new portable waist and neck massagers enter the picture. They are popping up everywhere on social media feeds lately. These gadgets promise a massive amount of relief. They claim to fix tech neck and melt away the tension of a long commute. The main selling points involve two specific technologies. One focuses on nerve stimulation to help block pain signals. The other focuses on muscle activation to help with stiffness. When you pair those with built-in heat and vibration, you get something that sounds like a tiny spa you can wear under your shirt. It is a tempting proposition for anyone who spends their life in an office chair or a car seat. These devices are designed to be lightweight and remarkably thin. You could probably wear one during a high-stakes board meeting. Nobody would even notice the subtle hum beneath your blazer. The heat feature is a major draw for most people. Everyone knows how good a warm compress feels on a stiff, tired muscle. Adding vibration to that mix creates a sensation of deep tissue work. You get the benefits without having to book an expensive appointment. You can just strap it on and go about your day. However, we really need to look past the flashy slow-motion commercials for a moment. The marketing for these waist wraps often leans into some pretty heavy promises. You might see claims about permanent posture correction. Some ads suggest dramatic, long-term structural changes to your spine. That is where you should probably pause and take a breath. While the underlying technology is absolutely used by medical professionals, these specific consumer-grade units are not magic wands. Most of the hype you see online comes from promotional videos and paid partnerships. It is quite hard to find truly independent clinical data that proves these specific massagers will fix your skeletal alignment forever. They are primarily comfort tools. Think of them as a high-tech version of a traditional heating pad with some extra bells and whistles added on. They are excellent for temporary relief. They are fantastic for helping you unwind after a stressful afternoon. They can certainly make a grueling cross-country flight much more bearable for your lower back. But they are not a replacement for seeing a physical therapist. They cannot take the place of getting actual medical treatment for a chronic injury. You have to manage your expectations carefully here. If you go in looking for a relaxing way to soothe a tired back, you will likely be very happy with the results. If you are expecting it to rebuild your spine or give you the perfect posture of a professional dancer, you might be setting yourself up for a lot of disappointment. It is all about knowing what you are actually buying and why you are buying it. Always do your own deep digging before you click that buy button on a website. Don't just trust the influencers who are sent a free unit to show off. Look for the honest, gritty experiences of regular people who have used them for months. At the end of the day, a little heat and some gentle pulsing can do wonders for your mood and your comfort level. Just do not expect a small belt to do the work that a medical professional should be doing. It is a convenience play. It is about making your daily grind a little less painful and a little more luxurious. That is a perfectly solid goal on its own without all the overblown marketing claims. Keep your feet on the ground. Keep your back supported by more than just a battery-powered wrap. You deserve to feel good. You also deserve to know exactly what a gadget can and cannot do for your body. The reality is often a bit more modest than the glossy ads suggest.